Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your current Yuzu build and noting its version so you can track changes. Make sure to back up your saved data and prod keys to a safe location, because once you overwrite files, they may be lost. Next, download the official latest build or portable zip. Choosing portable lets you test without altering your installation. Once done, close Yuzu and any related processes so files are free to replace during the update. You install the update by running the installer or extracting the portable zip directly into the chosen Yuzu folder. Select Overwrite when prompted. Then migrate your backed up user folders, saves, config, and prod keys into the new installation so your progress and settings persist. After that, open Yuzu once to let it regenerate caches and confirm your graphics backend and shader cache path. If you changed backends, reconfigure CPU and you finalize by launching a game and checking that it loads, runs, and recognizes your controller. If you encounter stuttering or visual glitches, clear the shader cache and let Yuzu rebuild it. This often solves performance hiccups. Make sure to test several titles to confirm stability. If the update introduces critical errors, revert to your backed up installation or reapply a different Yuzu build. One key troubleshooting tip. Verify your prod keys and firmware match the required versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.